Welcome. Today we are looking at History and Government Paper 1, Question and Answers. Section A, 25 marks. Answer all questions in this section in the spaces provided. Question 1. Identify one branch in the study of history and government of Kenya. Social, political, economic. So you just identify one. Question 2. Name one community in Kenya that belongs to River Lake Nilotes. That is the Luo. Question 3. State two economic activities of the Abagusi in Kenya during the pre-colonial period. They grew crops, they kept livestock, they hunted animals and gathered wild fruits, they traded with their neighbors, ironworking, practiced basketry. Question 4. Apart from the Maasai, name two other plain Nilotes found in Kenya. Turkana, Samburu, James, Iteso. Question 5. Name the type of constitution used in Kenya. Written constitution. Question 6. Identify two communities which resisted the British occupation in Kenya. Agiriama, Bukusu, Somali, Nandi. So you will only identify two. Question 7. Give the main reasons why poll tax was introduced in Kenya during the colonial period. To force Africans to work on European settlers' farms. Question 8. Identify two development rights of children. Right to education, right to leisure, right to participate in cultural and artistic activities, access to information, right to social security or right to parental love. Question 9. Name the first African to be nominated to the Legislative Council in 1944 in Kenya. Eliud Matho. Question 10. Identify two methods used by trade unionists to demand to their rights during the colonial periods. Strikes, ghost laws, demonstrations, petitions. Question 11. Identify one method used by the British to administer Kenya colony between 1920 and 1963. We have the direct rule and indirect rule. Question 12. State two problems which the Imperial British East African Company faced in the administration of the Protectorate. Shortage of funds, problems of transportations, poor coordination from colonial office in London, inexperienced administrators, shortage of personnel, lack of knowledge of the area, and hostility. Question 13. Name the treaty which marked the colonial sphere of influence in East Africa in 1886. Anglo-German Agreement. Question 14. State two grievances of the Kikuyu Central Association, that is the Kcse, against the colonial government in Kenya. Racial discrimination, African representation in Lego, the Kipande system, they were against taxation, forced labor, demand the release of Arithuku, land problems, cultural issues. Question 15. Identify one philosophy adopted at independence to promote social justice in Kenya. African socialism, Harambee. Question 16. Who was the first vice president of the Republic of Kenya after independence? We have Jaramogi Oginga Odinga. Question 17. Name two African leaders who were detained in 1952 at the declaration of state of emergency. Jomo Kenyatta, Bildad Kagia, Fred Kumbai, Paul Ngei, Acheng Oneko, Kungu Karuba. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know what video we can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.